Hey guys, today I'm going to show you how to disassemble your Xbox 360 controller. First of all, you're going to want to unscrew these screws in those little holes. There are 7 of them. The last one is inside the controller behind the barcode. And remember, once you break that barcode, your warranty is not valid anymore. So let me go ahead and unscrew these screws. I recommend putting the screws in a cup or a bowl so you don't lose them. Okay, so once you're done unscrewing all the screws, all you're going to want to do is carefully take your controller, put it upside down so the buttons don't fall out when you open it, and just pry it open with your fingers. Be careful of the rumble packs. Don't fray the wire. Set those carefully into their spots. And then there's going to be these little rubber pieces. They make the buttons actually press down and stuff. So just remove those. And all these buttons will be able to come out, so be careful. You don't want them going all over the place. And so you can change like your X, Y, A, and B buttons if you wanted to. And then you can change your select buttons, your D-pad, and even your little Xbox dome button. Oops. Alright, so you can take out your circuit board. First you take out this thing, I don't know what it's called, but then you just unsnap this. These little springs will come out, and it comes right off, and it'll look like that. You can also replace your analog sticks. Just pull them off, they come right off, and just snap them right back on. Same with the other one. And you can even change your triggers. Those are a little bit harder to change, and I'll show you how to do that in another video. So go check out my channel, comment, subscribe, whatever you want to do. Thanks for watching.